I really want to know the gender. So I want it to be a boy so bad. Like so bad. And it's mainly because Jason want a girl, you know. Like just because he want a girl so bad, I want it to be a boy so bad. Like just so that him don't get him away. Like just so that him don't get away, I'd want it to be a boy. We're supposed to be finding out baby's gender today, and I'm so excited.
Don't take a picture.
Amar wants to take a picture. Yeah, so guys, excited. Like, I couldn't sleep last night because I know I had an appointment today, and it was like, and then Jason wanted me to wait, and I was like, I can't wait because he was trying to come, but because of work and everything, and I'm like, can't take not sleeping for 3 more nights. So guys, today's the day.
Let me talk in your ear. Here.
What?
Let me talk in your ear. I know a plan.
What's the plan?
Daddy.
What type of baby I think mommy going to have?
I think we can trick him with something he likes to do.
Like what?
So we can't make us do.
Like what type of baby you think mommy going to have?
I think a boy.
Alright guys, so the results are in and we are having a drum roll please. Anywho, just wanted to ask the gender. What do you think of the gender same way? Still think it's a girl? Get up!
Actually, can't believe you did it to me.
Come now, please! Yeah, sit down.
I think it's a girl, but it's, when you video me, you want this as evidence in the future. It's a boy, no?
Why would I tell you that? You have...
It's a girl.
You think it's a girl?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that didn't say it's a boy. It's a girl.
I don't know, you might be a little bit disappointed. Anyways, I did the ultrasound today. It did tell me the sex. So I did kind of lie to you. But anyways, you can watch this.
That's umbilical cord, right? And I won't peel this man upon this one.
Keep me a picture. They keep a picture. Sure.
We're not getting. You're not telling me if I girl or boy.
Alright, based on looking at the video, do you think it's a boy or think it's a girl?
It's a girl.
Why are you so sure that it's a girl?
Because my heart want a girl. And my heart telling me that it's a girl.
So yeah.
No offense if you see that video in the future. Still love you with your agenda. But yeah, I'm looking at sister for mine.
Okay.
But you look like I'm penis me, I see you. This is a penis.
So you're disappointed that it's a boy?
No. But I wanted a girl because I wanted to be. Cause you always about when me say you won't marry, you always marry, you feel left out and all of this stuff, man. Cause you always up in your goodies. Some you want my daughter to be all up in my goodies. Virgin.
I'm sorry to disappoint
You
you.
can't let me go on new moon this time.
But anyways, I was kind of feeling that you would be a little bit disappointed, so I got you something to kind of cheer you up. So you have to be very gentle with it. Start at the top, sir. So take out the mirror.
This is a picture of the fetus.
Yeah. What can you tell from looking at those?
Hmm?
Okay.
Can you tell?
No.
It's only 8 weeks.
Can you be gentle? Just.
Alright, baby, sure. Oh, we tell you. Yes, boy, we get to the what. More this we can and we can. More this. Yes.
I can't believe.
Yes. I was so right. I was so right. I was so right. So, listen what I go on and now. So, you're gonna give me all of my daddy privileges them now. So you're gonna exclude yourself from coming in the room with my daughter. So my daughter is for me, you can keep her married. Marry, I love you. Yeah.
What you?
But your daughter is mine. Okay, you already confiscate Mary.
I have not confiscated Amari.
Yeah. So she is mine. All mine. Okay? That's me.
For a minute you thought it was a boy though.
No?
You did. You did
You
kinda.
feel me? I try
You did
test.
kinda.
I say, I wonder if I'm a real one boy. I mean, I say, oh, John was star. I love him saying that, but John was star. I love him saying John was star. You want the girl. Well, you get what I want.
Alright, so now that we have a boy and we're getting a girl, we're not going back, right?
No.
Okay.
So you do what it. You cut out the children?
Yeah.
You can't do that, you're too young.
Whatever.
Mm-mm.
Anyways.
Suppose in the future you decide to have a girl, or next girl, or a boy, or next baby. Don't know. You can't do that. You can take contraceptives.
But then I'm gonna get fat.
Yeah. Eat right and exercise.
Do I look like an exercising type of person to you?
Yeah, but I metabolic rate. You're not going to need, you're not going to need to worry about the fat.
Okay.
So you know why you take no fire cut material or nothing like that.
Okay. So you're over the moon now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Bye.
Nobody want to walk it dog. And you know this, I just eye from here and damn dog person.
Oh, I'm not.
You're wicked.
No.
And you tell me, say, yo, Jano Star. You know me feel like come over and I care like more and stop and read them go outside and ball and all them something there. And I say, oh, they nothing no. And then I say, oh, probably you really are. So this is actually 100% sure? Okay, is she 100% sure?
Well, I don't know if it's 100% sure, but you know, it doesn't say it on that. It's going to be on the report.
What does say anyone want me come with you today?
Don't question me.
You're wicked. But me know some girls too.
Anyways, I'm done recording. So, any final words?
Thank you, Jesus, for giving me a girl. Really happy. Really, really happy. Some can buy all my baby clothes and now colored. Can I have a phone?
Sure. The girl. Yes. I don't know. I just wanted it to be a boy, you know. But everybody else was saying it was a girl, and from mommy said it's a girl, then it's a girl.